this particular show. How does it feel that, it's not just performing that you're gonna do, but it's also gonna benefit a lot of people after the show?
Sobrang grateful po kami for the Ateneo and the
Just yes.
junior high school for having us po and for having us here po for the fundraising kasi makakatulong din po, hindi lang po kami makapa-inspire ng mga kabataan, makakatulong din po kami sa ibang tao. And we're really, really happy na makakapag-perform po kami with our new release po na EP, which is for
Alright, super gusto ko pala yung parang R&B na
yes.
signal.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
So I was advised by our director 2 more questions daw po.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is French from manualtolife.com. First, taas ko lang kay RJ. Given that there are also big fans of Calista, Sankis Lola, Adi, hindi ba magkakaubusan ng tickets or yun nga, mawawalan ng tickets yung mga taga-Ateneo dahil nga malay natin, mag-sold out agad yung mga tickets. So how will you handle that?
Of course, as a concert for the junior high school, we're gonna prioritize our students, my fellow students. So we're gonna start the in-person selling muna sa campus itself. So malamang, only Ateneans will get to buy it since it will be sold on the junior high school campus. Then we'll start the online selling for outsiders. Also, the week during the launching of the in-person selling.
Ayan, hi, good afternoon. My question for RJ. Ayan. How would you describe, or kung sino yung part ng organizer, no? How would you describe yung overall vibes ng concert? May mga install ba kayo ng mga booth, or ano yung activity the whole day? Parang ganyan.
So the concert will have food concessionaires at the back of the venue. So everyone will be given a chance to eat, of course. Tapos the vibe of the concert will be, like I said, Horizon. So it's gonna be a very uplifting and wholesome concert naman po. So the vibe will be, there's gonna be a little bit of a party vibe, but of course the crowd control will be fixed and it will be watched over by our security. So the concert will be a very fun experience naman po, and the vibe will just, like I said, uplifting and happy.
Ayan, since super young pa lang kayo, how challenging is it for you to mount this big concert?
I'll let Mason answer this question.
Okay, sure.
Hi, so I'm Mason. I haven't been able to speak yet, sorry. But I'd like to say it was very, very challenging because honestly, just to be able to do this concert, we had to beat out other classes who also made their own proposals and their own budgets and had their own sponsors. They were all trying to get this concert slot, but luckily we made it, and it was really hard. We had our own defending of, we had a defense for our proposal. We had to give a presentation, similar to this actually. So,
Magpe-perform din ba kayo? Yung mga yung mga organizer? Okay. Wala. Oo. Wala ba yan sa dulo? Walang gano'n. Ayan. For Calista naman, since you're one of the big guests nga nitong concert na to, ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa nyo in terms of the songs? Paano yung mga magiging performance nyo on that night? Since different naman tong crowd this time.
In terms of preparation po, katulad po nga ng sinabi po nila kanina, we're gonna be performing the songs po on our latest EP, which is 4. So we're very, very excited to showcase our new songs to the students of Ateneo kasi we know that it's the perfect market for the songs because there are a lot of teens and maybe the same age as well sa amin po. So talagang pinaghahandaan po namin yung performance po namin, which will be para mas matutuwa po yung mga students po sa performance namin.
Yes po, and also nagpe-prepare din po kami ng cover songs para mas ma-relate din yung students. Hindi lang sa original songs namin. So, ayun, para maka-vibe din sila. Hindi lang sa original songs namin, but the cover songs na kilala. Yeah.
Meron ba kayo ngayong pa-sample na magiging performance nyo? Yes! Para sa nalalapit na concert, para mas lalo pa maraming bumili ng tickets.
Before po kami mag-sample, we would want to introduce ourselves po sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala. Call it a star! Hi everyone, I'm Anne.
Hello everyone, I'm Denise.
Hi, I'm Elle. Hello, I'm Dane, and we are Calista. Sample na po. Sample.
Kailangan lang lumisan sa pagdating ng oras, biglang mawawala. Ngunit sa puso ko'y ikaw ang tadhana. Kahit sandali lang na lumigaya, sulitin natin ang bawat oras.